Hello everyone. Welcome to Various Business, where we will be talking about all things finance. In this video we will be discussing how to write a business plan. If that interests you, please slap that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you will be notified for future content. Without further ado, let's go over how to write a business plan. To write a business plan, we need to know exactly what a business plan is. To keep it short, a business plan is a formal written document containing the goals of a business, the methods for attaining those goals, and the time frame for the achievement of the goals. Now that we know what a business plan is, let's start writing one. Step 1. The executive summary. The executive summary should explain what your business does, and provide an introductory overview of your financial health and major achievements to date. The summary doesn't need to be too long. In general, it's about half a page or less. However, when you're writing it, it will be however long it needs to be, if that makes sense. Step 2. Company introduction. Take a step back and describe the wider industry of your business. You can go over the market value and trends that will affect the success of your business. It's important not to be biased. You should write down the future potential and use data from your industry to show positive and negative reflections. Don't forget to include what kind of structure you have. Whether it's a sole proprietor, LLC, etc., it's important to show why your company is different and what kind of advantages you have over your competitors. Step 3. Market analysis and opportunity. This goes along with the last step, but don't make the mistake of not researching your market. It's crucial to know what kind of opportunities you have, and to know this you need to look at the data. Also, this is a good time to go over your target audience, such as gender, age, buying habits, etc. Step 4. Competitor analysis. Not only do you need to show what makes you different from your competition, but you need to know about the competition's advantages as well. This research should show your competitors' strengths, weaknesses, and let you see areas that you can improve on yourself. Step 5. Operations, development, and management. Also known as the executive plan. This is where you can write down exactly how you will be fulfilling the work. Will you be hiring contractors? What will be the everyday operations? Make sure to list your company's physical and digital assets. If you have already begun your business, then you can compile the day-to-day actions. If you are a startup, it's important to list how long it will be before your day-to-day operations begin. This is a great part to include the actions involved in hiring new team members in the future. Step 6. Having a marketing plan. Marketing is essential for business in this day and age. You should have a marketing plan set up to launch your operations, scale your business, and to test out new strategies. This is where you show how you're going to promote your business, attract customers, and retain existing clients. It's important to evaluate the way your competitors market themselves, and how your target audience responds, or doesn't respond to these messages. If you've found this information helpful so far, please hit the like button. If you've made it this far, I want to congratulate you on doing the research to write a business plan. Now let's continue to step 7. The final step. Financial history and projections. It's crucial to make sure you disclose all of the finances involved in running your business. When this is done correctly, shareholders can easily understand all of your projections. You should include your income statement, which outlines annual net profits or losses, a cash flow statement, which shows how much money you need to launch or scale operations, and a balance sheet that shows financial liabilities and assets. That's all I have for you guys about how to write a business plan. This can be a very detailed and time-consuming process, but I assure you it's quite worth it. If any of the information I shared was valuable, please smash the like button to help our videos with the YouTube algorithm. I wish you all the best of luck in pursuing your journey as business owners. We'll see you next time as we'll continue to talk all things finance on Various Business. Goodbye my friends, take care.